everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a connection between your website form and Mailchimp in such a manner that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a subscriber is created in your Mailchimp account. If you also want to learn how you can create this for your business and automate this entire process without lifting any finger and automate your email marketing campaign, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect website form with Mailchimp in such a manner that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a contact or a lead is created or a subscriber is created in the Mailchimp account. For this, we are going to build a connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. Here, all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch, name this workflow as automatically add website leads to Mailchimp, and now I select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as forms automation and then click on create. Here, workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a subscriber should be created, which means whenever there will be new form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in the trigger application, I will be taking webbook by Pabbly, and in the trigger event, I'm going to select catch webbook and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and my website form, for which a webbook URL is provided to me, and this webbook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my website form with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open the code of this particular website form in a notepad where I'm going to insert this webbook URL. I'm going to copy this. Now over here, I have opened the code of this form. Beside this fetch, you can see that I have added a dummy webbook URL, which I'm going to remove, and I'm going to paste the webbook URL which I have just copied. Go towards this file, save this. In this manner, I have added the webbook URL. Now I'm going to go back towards the workflow. Over here, you can see this waiting for webbook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webbook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to open this particular website form and do a form submission. Before that, I will refresh this. As soon as I do this dummy form submission, all the details should be captured here in this workflow. So this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine or not. I have entered the name as best lead, then the email address as bestlead@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter the phone number, which is this. After entering all the details, I'm going to click on this submit now. Thank you for submitting the form. The form submission is done. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received any details there or not. Here, let's wait for the webbook response. We have received the response as soon as we have done the form submission. The phone number is this. The name is best lead. The email address is bestlead@pabblytudes.com. Here, as soon as we have done the form submission, we can see the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to my Mailchimp. I'm going to select my action application as Mailchimp. And in the action event, I'm going to select add new member with custom field and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token and the data center. To enter this token, on the profile picture, I have to go towards this profile extras and API keys. So I'm going to go towards the profile, click on this profile again, then go towards this extras and then click on this API keys, where I'm going to create a new API token. And over here, I'm going to click on this create a key. I'm going to name this as test key and then simply click on this generate key. A new API token is provided to me. I'm going to copy this and paste it over here, and then I have to enter the data center. To get this data center, I'm going to open Mailchimp. On the top in this URL, I have this. So I'm going to copy and paste it over here. This is the data center. I'm going to click on the save. You will see Mailchimp will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter these details. So I have only one list, audience list. I've selected that. I'm going to enter the email address. I'm going to enter / go towards this webbook by Pabbly and then enter the email address. I'm going to skip the tags. In the status, I'm going to select as subscribed. You can select according to the requirement. I have not received the interest on the company, so designation also. So I'm going to skip these fields. I have received the response. I have to enter the first name and the last name separately, but here I have received the full name, which is best lead. So what I'm going to do, I have to format this. For that, I'm going to save this action step, and then I'm going to click on this add new action step. And in the action application, I'm going to search for text formatter by Pabbly. In the action event, I'm going to select text basic formatting and then click on connect. I'm going to map the name, which is this. The transform is this. Extract numbers and then click on save and send test request. In the action event, I'm going to select split text and then click on connect. Now in the text to split, I'm going to enter the name as best lead. In the separator, I'm going to enter space. So I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Then in the segment index, I'm going to select all, save and send. Thus you will see best will be separated with lead. So I'm going to map it over here. Now I have opened this step, and over here in this first name, I'm going to enter / go towards this text formatter and then enter the best. Then I'm going to enter the last name as this lead. I'm going to enter the mobile number as this one. And then I'm going to enter the phone number as this one. Now over here you see mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, let's save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Mailchimp, and on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to go towards the audience. And here it is, we have created this best lead. I'm going to open this. The name was best lead, email address was bestlead@pabblytudes.com. Then we have the phone number, which is this one. Here, as soon as we have received the response, we can say the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new form submission, I will start creating automatically the subscribers in my Mailchimp account. And this is how we have built the connection between Webbook by Pabbly, or the website form, and Mailchimp using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.